Today on Siege Off-Road, we're going to show you how to make the interior of your F-150 even more practical. Mounting GPSs, cell phones, and dash cams can be a bit tricky in your F-150, so today we're going to show you an easy way on how to do that with this BuiltRight Industries dash mount bracket. This dash mount bracket is designed to fit your 2015-18 F-150, 250, and 350. It's made of 12-gauge CNC laser cut steel with a texture black powder coat finish, designed to perfectly fit the dash on your truck to give you multiple mounting locations for your devices. The slots are designed to work with the AMP standard pattern and Ram ball mount sockets. For more information and pricing, click the link in the description down below. Now let's get to the install. Tools you'll need for this installation: 7mm socket, 3/8 socket, 1/4-inch ratchet, trim panel removal tool, Phillips screwdriver, a drill, 1/4-inch drill bit, and safety glasses. Alright, the first thing we need to do is remove the speaker cover in the center of the dash. Use a plastic pry bar to remove the speaker cover. There's two 7mm screws that are recessed that you have to remove. Pry up on the tray to remove it. And then it comes out. Disconnect the speaker. Now you can remove it from the truck. Remove the tray liner. Place the new dash mount bracket in the tray. Determine where you want to mount this bracket inside the tray, and then mark the holes to be drilled. These holes will need to be drilled out to 1/4 inch, but we're going to start out with a smaller drill bit. And now we'll make the holes 1/4 inch. Secure the bracket with 2 of the bolts. Place a nut on the back side. Now that it's locked in place, we can mark the other 2 holes so that they're perfectly lined up. Now that we have the holes marked, we can make them 1/4 inch. Then install all 4 washers, bolts, and nuts. With all the hardware in place, you can tighten it down. Okay, it can now be reinstalled into the truck. Plug in the speaker and reinstall the tray. Tighten down the 2 screws. Finally, the speaker cover, and you're done. Okay, we got our BuiltRight Industries dash mount bracket installed on our F-150, and this thing is really sturdy. It's not going anywhere, and it's going to give you a lot of options for mounting things like cameras, GoPros, GPSs, things like that. Installing it's pretty easy too. It should only take you about 30 to 45 minutes to do it, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road.